you recommend stretch styling for maintaining hair growth? I have hit a plateau for about a year now, and I'm trying to figure out if I need to go on that route, stretch styling route. I'm a 4A, 4B. When stretched, my hair is at my collar. When in a wash and go, it's around my ears. I wash and go every 3 to 4 days. Okay, so if you're a 4, you're drying your hair out by waiting for 3 or 4 days to go by before wash and go styling. If you're not stretching your hair out after it's dried from you doing your wash and go style, that's just a choice you're making. If I wash and go style my hair or anyone else's hair, I would stretch it after it dried. That's what you're supposed to do. And if you don't, it's supposed to be around your ears. And if you're not getting haircuts every 3 months, then you will hit a plateau because your hair, or you have adopted the notion that your hair grows to a certain point and stops growing. It's just not getting trimmed properly. And I don't know who trims it, or if it was trimmed every 3 months religiously for the last year. That's 4 times a year. Because if you don't trim it, it just your hair, that stuff that should have been trimmed off is still attached to your beautiful hair. And it gives the appearance that your hair is frizzier or drier than it really is. I see that you should be moving into stretching as a part of your wash and go routine, and then it's done more frequently in order to get better results.